Good evening, friends, respected guests, parents, and myself. I am very thankful to have this opportunity, and I take this opportunity to give my views on superstitions. Actually, I don't know why the people have their different mind about superstitions. If the superstition give us happiness, help us in curing from our diseases, help us in curing from our problems. So, what is the big deal in believing these types of superstitions? I want to give some examples for expressing my views. The first example that I want to give is of Balaji. Everyone knows to Balaji, and whenever any person have some spirit or unwanted soul, at that case even most of the doctor cannot guess what the disease having that person. As our guests are also the doctor, but most of the doctors say. So even the doctor say that take the patient to the Balaji, and at that place only the patient will be cured. So at that place, the most of the family members of that patient have also experienced that the person have been cured fully from that thing or the unwanted soul. And Balaji is beating the ghosts or unwanted things. And the second example that I want to give is of Babas, or we can say superstition agents. We say that these Babas cheated to the person, cheated to the people, they take the money, they take the property from the poor persons and profit themselves. But as we all say that all the fingers of our hand are not equal to each other. That only all the Babas are not cheated to everyone. Some Babas are also good. They do their best by curing the persons from their diseases. Like we can take the example of Nirbal Baba, as he is very popular nowadays. So I believe that Nirbal Baba can make food to hundreds of people, thousands of people, but not the lakh and not the crores. So I've seen from my eyes and meet many of the persons that they have experienced a success, a kind-hearted, and happiness in their life by believing that Baba and by believing that whatever the solution they are giving. And as we see like the doctors, if any patient is very injurious and the patient health is very dangerous, so even the doctors say that now only have faith in God, and now only the God can help this patient. As we all know, and the doctors also know that only he or she has to do the surgery or the operation, whatever he wants to do. But why he say that only have faith in God, then God can only help this patient? Because they have the belief that something is there, that something is behind us, that is supporting us, that is giving us motivational energy that we can do our work. And take our example that whenever we go to the student go for examinations, the person go for new job. Before going to these works, firstly we go to the temple for blessing God. That we should because we go to these temples because we have a belief that something is there, something is supporting us. Like we can take the example of this thing only. Then before starting this program, we have enlightened the God Saraswati, because why we enlighten and why we worship Goddess Saraswati, because we believe that it will a symbol of good bless, and our work will be go smoothly. So I think that if they are not giving us anything bad, if they are helping in our success in our life, so what is the big deal in believing these types of the superstitions? Then I can say that yes, I believe in superstitions and I am a superstition. Thank you.